The great types of coal-fired and biomass-fired heat transfer oil boilers include fixed hand-fired grate, chain grate, and reciprocating grate, with heating temperature up to 340 centigrade. High temperature and low pressure characteristics. The product has reasonable structure, advanced technology, less floor area, small size, beautiful appearance, simple management, high thermal efficiency, remarkable energy saving effect, and economic benefits. It has vertical and horizontal structure and is equipped with a variety of safety protection devices.